Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you today? Hope everything is fine. Today I will discuss something important in the field of air conditioning, how to convert LRE to tons. Many technicians already knows about this topic, but for those who don't know yet, it perhaps it will help you. Since our compressor rated in the LRE, we don't know how much tons. Now, let us discuss how to convert the LRA to tons. Let us see. Guys, this is the three-piece compressor and this is the single-piece compressor. The three-piece compressor LRA divided by 12 minus 1, and the single piece is LRA divided by 36. Okay guys, let us see. I get this example because we have this kind of compressor in our work. So let us begin. 187 LRE divide to 12. Let us see. 100 187 divide 12 coming to 15.5. 15.5. So 15.5 minus 1, 15.5 minus 1, 14.5 coming to 14.5 tons. This is a very simple guy. Okay, now in a single piece 58 LRA, for example 58 LRA divide to 36. 58 divide 36, 1.6, 1.6, but since we don't have 1.6 tons, it will come to 1.5 tons. Okay guys, very simple how to convert the LRA to tons. Three piece, this is the three piece. The three piece divided by 12, then minus 1, and the single piece divided by 36, then that is the outcome, that is the tons. Now let us go to the compressor. Guys, sometimes we encounter the unit will not run, and we are getting here high amps in the common line 1, we are getting high amps here, then our unit will not run. Like this guy, if we encounter like this, we do not quickly judge. We should check first why the motor will not run, or the compressor. It might be the mechanical problem, or it might be the capacitor is weak. That's why the compressor will not run. Now guys, if we change the capacitor, the running capacitor, we should change the original capacity of the capacitor. Do not replace the lower or higher capacity of the capacitor, because if you replace lower capacity, it might your compressor will not run. If higher, it will rapidly run, but you can hard sound in the compressor. So lower capacity or higher capacity in the original capacitor, it will short the life of your compressor. You should change the original capacity of the capacitor. Now, if you change now the capacitor, original capacity, then when you start the compressor, but it will take times, before the compressor will start. It means your compressor is hard to start. Like this guy, you should install a starting capacitor so that your compressor will easily run, because the starting capacitor, it will help to run the compressor. Okay, sometimes there is a potential relay, but most of the window unit, we cannot find or found the potential relay, but in the split unit, we can found some design there is a potential relay across the starting capacitor. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching, and if you wish, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. May God bless. Bye bye. Thank you.